कोई नहीं बता दीजिए मैक्सिमम।
त्याला जाऊन दे ना 1-2 दिवस अजून तो पद्धतीने किती तारखेला देतोय.
सर पहिला वाचिले पछि गयो 1 मिनिट.
What do you feel? How it is important to beautify yourself as an individual? What do you recommend?
I would say beauty should be with everyone, not just women itself. Myself, I would love to look gorgeous every day. Especially when I wake up in the morning, like most women or men would love to see themselves looking perfect. And our aim at Silph Cable Sigma is to get that across to as many people as possible. Because we believe that being in India, it's for us it's a very important thing because our roots are here. But when I look at women around me, they are so beautiful, but they hide behind so many things that I feel that it's a shame to do that. But with this kind of a treatment, I would say, which is Pure Wave, it enhances your skin. We work with your muscles, we work with your nervous system, where the beauty comes within, which I find it's very, very important. That instead of lapping on your face once a month, a lot of creams, a lot of packs and all that kind of thing, which only lasts you 3 days, whereas Pure Wave will last you a month, and every day you can get up and look beautiful. We target a lot of pigmentation areas, we target a lot of wrinkles, we target like dark circles, laugh lines that we get as we're getting older. But with all these kind of things, it's purely a 20-minute treatment.
Do you think it's a happy pride moment during Juhi Chawla coming to inaugurate?
Juhi Chawla is a very special person in our life. I mean, she's one of those candidates that we have chosen and felt very comfortable with. Her beauty itself speaks for it, basically, and she enjoys taking Pure Wave from us, She likes it, she feels the difference, and that's the important thing about any candidate, to talk from heart about the product, So, yeah, Juhi was a perfect candidate for us.
And during the beauty business, so in the last decade, how do you feel that how much people are aware of the beautification of themselves as such? How far has the beauty business grown as such?
Beauty business now has grown vast throughout the world, you find, in India, you find that people are getting more conscious about everything. It's not a special occasion thing, whether it's men or women. Children, you'll find also going to beauty parlors and looking really great and having their hair done and, their looks and all that. And with this, we're very happy to say that it helps you very, very naturally. You can look your best at any given time, So that is one of the bestest thing about this treatment.
And asking about today's event, is there opening up only one store as such, or there is
No, altogether we have got 5 stores, 4 opening today. One already opened up last year, August. So we are very happy about it, and hopefully this trend should go on, because I want to reach out to as many people as possible with this thing.
Better than before, you're right. Better than what they had done. Yeah. But then I think I also come right here. I want you to Om Shri Ganganpate Namaha. Vakratunda Mahakaya. Surya Koti Samapaka. Nirvignam Kurume Devas. Sarvakaryeshu Sarvada. All the best, many congratulations, and may it all go beautiful. Special riddance, you know? That's Sisa seems to be too special. ये क्या हो गया? अभी कर ही डालेंगे, कैसे तो कर ही डालेंगे. Alright, so this is what you've been stressing over, and is it now to your liking? Yeah?
Just need some homey touch now, that's it.
Yeah, no, it always happens that you look at every dot and every dash, which people will not really notice. But yeah, it's kind of neatly, very neatly done. First room is managed. Okay. So we have
We have you over here this time as well.
yeah, no, neat.
Still, so yes.
Yeah? Sure. Yeah. Whenever you want.
मेरी चैनल से वेबसाइट में
ठीक है, okay. Yeah.
It's come up with a lot of advanced technology with that, not just the pack and everything, but it's advanced to a lot of things as well. So yeah, that John Cronick has taken it at least 2 steps forward. So you can do amazing things with this machine.
I've seen it from the scratch. I
know that you know what's much better, huh?
This is looking much better. Yeah. Good, so good. You can
Still so brand new, so you're gonna say yes.
one second. Yeah, it is called Subhash. And you be there or to speak or
You're speaking. You never speak.
तो साउंड भी आपका मार खाएगा तो सिर्फ कर नहीं
और एक
Please join. Nice and there. Guys, one second.
सामने से एक जन देखो सामने से एक जन तो देखो come let them just check on it
एक सेकंड गैप थैंक यू
Sorry.
Through Amin. It was given to the right owner.
Thank you, ma'am. Thanks for.
Just got stuck.
Rolling. You know, ma'am, although beauty is a natural thing, but how do you feel that artificial means helps in beautifying oneself?
Well, just like sometimes when you're not feeling too well, you take a tonic or you take some therapeutic aid or you take some medicine. You just need some help sometimes. And here is a wonderful instrument, the Pure Wave treatment. One, it's non-invasive. Hindi में बोलो, अंग्रेजी में बोलो.
What you are confident?
अच्छा, non-invasive, very good results, and 3, it's very affordable. And it's totally, मतलब 20 मिनट में वो जो treatment होगी, you'll come out feeling better. You even feel more relaxed with it, and then the result starts to show, and then your skin feels relaxed, your face starts to glow. So it's a very good treatment.
no better person than Juhi Chawla to open your skin clinic because she was one of the most prominent, will be the most beautiful actress in Bollywood. So what's
She is, yes, and that's why she's been a very good candidate, I would say, and she gives us a lot of luck as well with this because her face is just natural, basically, you know.
With some help from Pure Way.
अपनी फिल्मों में क़यामत से क़यामत हो या फिर हमें राइट बैक, जो भी फिल्में में काफी सिंपल रहती थी, कभी ज्यादा मेकअप, लेकिन आज के दौर में देखा जाए तो मेकअप काफी ज्यादा मायने रखता है. क्या कहना चाहेंगे इस बारे में?
इनफैक्ट मैं कहूँगी हम लोग बहुत ज़्यादा मेकअप लगाते थे, आजकल बेस और सब चीज़ें इतने सटल और कम करते हैं. मैं अपनी पुरानी फिल्में देखती हूँ, कभी तो लगता है ओह माय गॉड मैं कर क्या रही थी. बट आई थिंक इट्स क्वाइट आजकल, क्योंकि टेक्निक बहुत आगे बढ़ गई है तो एक एक चीज़ दिखती है स्क्रीन पर, तो आजकल तो इनफैक्ट बहुत केयरफुल रहते हैं लोग.
और जो आईपीएल सेशन चल रहा है तो फॉलो कर रही हैं आप आईपीएल को फॉलो करें, खासकर आपकी टीम कोलकाता नाइट राइडर्स.
भाई हाँ, थोड़ा बहुत फॉलो करती हूँ, थोड़ा बहुत मैं कुछ कभी टेंशन ज्यादा होती है तो बोलती हूँ बंद करो यार, मेरे को नहीं देखना.
और लीक जान के अर्थक्वेक हुआ नेपाल में, इंडिया में, तो इतनी बड़ी ट्रेजेडी के बीच क्या रिकमेंड कर देंगे आप?
मैं एक तो जब ये हुआ तो मुझे एक बहुत अच्छा लगा कि हमारे प्राइम मिनिस्टर जी ने उनको इमीडिएटली कॉल किया है और कहा है कि आपकी कोई भी मदद हो तो हम करें. तो एक गर्व होता है कि हम उनके इतने करीब हैं नेपाल के, तो हम उठकर कुछ उनकी मदद करें तो बहुत अच्छा है कि इट्स बिग बिग ट्रेजेडी, बिग ट्रेजेडी.
और वन ऑफ द मोस्ट इम्पोर्टेंट सेलिब्रिटी ऑफ बॉलीवुड सलमान खान के साथ ठिकाने में 6 मई को, तो उसके बारे में कुछ कहना चाहेंगे?
मैं बस ये कहूँगी बस सलमान को कि ऑल द बेस्ट एंड आई होप द ट्रूथ प्रिवेल्स. What do you call it? A facial?
Rejuvenate, glow, refreshes yourself with a natural health and relaxing, which is
Yeah. No, that's what I'm asking. What would you call it? Because when
a
somebody
relaxing
asked,
facial. You can sleep into it.
yeah, even the last time I was almost dropping off. At the end, I'm like, I don't really want
I
to be
still do
woken
it.
up.
Every time the second one starts, and then you hear yourself that you're doing something.
Yeah, suddenly, I'm gone. Oh, wait, I shouldn't be so.
But yeah, I mean, we enjoy. Dharmi enjoys it just before her exams. It calms the mind down. Otherwise, she can't concentrate in studies. That's the good thing about it is that when you got too much, it gets out. I can think. Now I can do my. What's it? Business studies. This is my job. It's relaxing. I think those extra bits added with our programs and all that is part of it. It's also part of the job as well. It's amazing how you can get people partially paralyzed with their arms and is it Alzheimer's?
No,
ये
for Bell's
इनका
palsy.
सेकंड ट्रीटमेंट है, वो बैक के लिए, किसी भी
Joints.
जॉइंट्स के लिए, सब के लिए सब.
हम लोग
और
भी
ये
हैं।
Wonders. It does
फेशियल
wonders.
जो है ये कोई भी कर सकते हैं.
मैंने अभी
Men
पूछा
and
पूछा।
women.
मैं काफी लोगों
This
को
is
बोल
not like a
सकता
passive
हूँ
exercise that you're giving to your body. So you are kind of toning your muscles, what we do generally in the gym, so that our triceps don't sag and all that. So this is like a passive exercise that you give to your face, so that if there's tone, definitely it's not going to sag.
It doesn't sound
That
bad.
is-
No guys who come in and actually have this treatment. And they're so conscious about it. Come and see. So it's a good thing. It's not a bad thing. And I think everybody should look good. Get up in the morning, you don't feel really like top of the world.
Season
I'm
done
ready
today.
to handle that world today.
सबसे अच्छी बात है रीजनेबल काफी है ये
It's very reasonable.
Very
I mean,
reasonable.
I mean, people are now getting to know about it, which is a good thing. And the good thing is that with both treatments, they're getting a bit educational as well. even like putting wallets in their back pocket like most men do, you know. And you also get like women carrying a lot of heavy shopping, not thinking